to Nono's Donuts Guagua!
Nababo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga. Guys, for this video, nandito tayo ngayon sa Guagua, Pampanga. And we were invited by Nono's Donuts. Wow, look at this! Another drink came in. So, grabe, ang dami nating dessert ngayon, mami. Para sa akin, I'm gonna go first with the Biscoff. Anong magandang match nito? Ha?
Pwede siyang coffee.
Huh?
This one is early in the morning, parang sarap ng donuts and coffee, di ba?
Yes.
Sarap nga siya.
Very delicious cheese swirl. Si Nono's Donuts kasi, ang gamit nila yung mga brioche buns. Extra milky, softer. Unlike with the regular flour, this one, yan, so soft and very milky. So ito yung ube cheese fantasy. I think ito yung next natin, no? Ito yung next natin.
Are you ready?
Alright, so this one's, oh, ready yan. So this one's ube, yan naman ay cheese.
This one is cheese, okay.
Cheers.
Ready? Okay, cheers.
Let's try it.
Cheers.
Shake it. Ayun guys, so again, congratulations Nono's Guagua branch for opening. First time nyo pong ma-encounter ito, I think this is the best time to really try it, and then kayo mismo yung kumbaga magpa-experience sa mga hindi rin pa nakaka-try, di ba?
Kumbaga here at Nono's Donuts, you can taste quality donuts at an affordable price. At an affordable price, yan.
Plan na.
Affordable.
Hi, I'm Lel William, wife of Jason and co-owner of Nono's Donuts Guagua.
Hi, I'm Jason Castro. Wife ko siya, siya yung owner. Siya yung co-owner pala. Ako, guest lang ako dito.
Siyempre happy kami dahil dito kami lumaki, alam namin talaga yung sound na to. So happy kami na meron kaming bagong product na ipapakilala sa kanila na alam kong babalikan.
Mapapromise namin na magugustuhan nyo at babalik-balikan nyo kasi affordable na at saka sobrang masarap pa. And lahat ng mga occasion nyo, birthday or may mga something na occasion kayo, for sure maalala nyo si Nono's Donuts.
Hi, I'm Christy Santos, wife of Dale Santos, co-owner of Nono's Donuts Guagua.
I'm Dale Santos, the husband of Chrissy, and co-owner of Nono's Donuts Guagua. We promised a better product because our product is made of brioches. Freshly baked sila, so meron kaming kitchen dito. Dito sila binibake. The same time, quality and very affordable siya.
Sa mga kabalen, especially sa mga taga-Guagua, we are officially open na. Sana po makapunta kayo at amplikin po natin yung Kapampangan made donuts.
Basta Nono's Donuts, gawang Kapampangan, manyaman.
We are inviting you to visit Nono's Donuts Guagua. Dito lang sa Plaza Burgos. We are open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Thank you.
Okay, so ayun guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and we hope to see you in the next one.
Thank you!
Bye guys.
O, tara, taste pa tayo na drinks.